Hello! Finally, nandito na po ako sa Taglucob Strawberry Hill. Napakahirap po mag-book sa kanila dahil parati po silang fully book kahit po pandemic ngayon. Ganun po sila ka-popular or sikat or napaka-trending po ang bagong destination, tourist destination po dito sa Bukidnon. Ang Taglucob Strawberry Hill na matatagpuan sa Lorega, Kitaw-Taw, Bukidnon. Tara na, ikutin na natin ang lugar.
The rice bran.
Oh, rice bran?
Yeah, you know rice bran? Look at this. Tomorrow there will be 3 times bigger.
Okay.
Yeah, paspas ka. Yung sinasabing tumubong parang kabutik. This, look at this. How many it has? Small mushrooms here. Ito ma'am, giant mushroom. Look at this. It will be big tomorrow. This one. It will be huge tomorrow. This one will be harvested tomorrow also. Anyway, so this is 40 square meters, but we have, I think, 4,000 meters.
1,000, huh?
But we can harvest 30 kilos. But it's just here.
This is me. When I can't hold mushrooms.
Wow. What is that?
Mushrooms.
Mushroom?
Mushrooms are... You like
What do you
mushrooms?
call that? Mushroom?
I want to hold them. I want to hold them.
So,
Let's go,
yeah, to harvest mushroom, you just pick this one, like you hold this and then you pluck. Hold this one and then pull. Downstairs. But for now, no picking yan. Which system? Muna itong seedlings kanina sa strawberry kanina. We call this one runners. Yung sa kapunuan, before siya mabunga, mag-runner pa siya para makakuha ng similya. Muna yung mga similya. So, this is farming. Wala tayo hubag nito po. Wala po in charge na rin. Yuta ni yuta. Ay, may wala yuta. Kani rice lang ni opokas. Atong fertilizer. Hydroponic solution.